My name is Moreno Rigo and I am in charge of technical assistance in FIAM. My job is to give constant support to customers in order for them to benefit from our solutions in terms of ergonomics and efficiency. Today I will show you the innovations and benefits of MCA modules that we have designed to improve efficiency and productivity. MCA is a plug-and-play tightening module capable of automatically feeding and tightening at high frequencies on one or more tightening points. A real automatic tightening station standalone, customized and fully tested, easily integrated into automated production lines. The module can also be used with any space-saving cobot by combining the specific tightening device with forward bit strokes patented by Fiam. MCA consists of an easy driver screw feeder with PLC, Modbus TCP/IP protocol, and EDMI web server integrated interface, a pneumatic or electric nut runner motor to fulfill any need for torque, speed and type of control and programming, a fastening slide, which in lightness and size can be integrated anywhere and handles approach strokes even upward from below, and over very narrow wheelbases. A tightening head, customized for tightening any kind of screw, anywhere, and without the risk of losing screws inside the components, thanks to mechanical restraint. The main advantages of the MCA module are plug and play and always customized solutions, optimized cycle time, reduced encumbrance, remotely configurable parameters, remotely controllable data, tightening head customization, Industry 4.0 interconnectivity, support for the installation from remote with our after-sales department. Each MCA is designed and manufactured entirely in Fiam according to the customer's needs. This means that it is customized according to the screw to be used and the overall dimensions of the workpiece to which it has to be tightened. MCA is tested with the screws and customer components and delivered already cabled and assembled. It will then be sufficient to install it in your own production layout, connecting the electrical and pneumatic power supply. It is easy to control it. You do it through the preset inputs, since the built-in PLC manages autonomously the cyclic and movement of the tightening axis. The MCA module allows high production frequencies without risk of jamming or machine downtime. Optimized cycle times and production efficiency are achieved through the multiple innovations included in the module. For example, the numerous control devices, or the software designed to feed the screws and the movements of the fastening slide cylinders. The slides of the MCA are space-saving, in other words, designed for applications in which the handling space is limited. Therefore, they are also suitable for working from below upwards, operation requiring the positioning of the slide under the workpiece, usually in extremely small spaces. Remotely, it is possible to change all the parameters that control the operation of the MCA, from the screw supply to the movement of the slide. They are both modifiable via Modbus, or with the web server built into the system. There is no need to stay at the edge of the machine to interact with the PLC display of the feeder, which can often be located in inaccessible areas. As well as being able to visualize, thanks to a dynamic flowchart, the working phase of the system. You can control a large amount of data remotely, for example, line pressure, shooting time of the screw, the tightening time, and cycle time. You can also visualize both the value in real time, as well as the average, minimum and maximum values that have been taken, and also the variation in real time through clear and immediate graphs. The heads hold the screw coming from the feeder and guide it to allow the bit to engage it and proceed to tighten it. They are customized both according to the screws used, the shape of the workpiece to be assembled, position, and depth of the tightening. Different design solutions can be considered, such as the use of screw-retaining jaws, which minimize their opening during tightening to allow operations in tightening areas with limited opening space. The retain of the screw is mechanical to hold the screw firmly and never lose it. An indispensable advantage, for example, occurs when the slides are used on manipulators or robots, moving at very high speed, and the screws can't be absolutely lost within the workpieces. MCA can interconnect with the management systems of the production plant, since the master PLC can interface with the PLC built into MCA for the required interchange of I/O signals. MCA is an Industry 4.0 solution because, through the Modbus connection, it is possible to configure the tightening system remotely, change the value of the parameters, carry out real-time or follow-up diagnostics, download tightening data and translate them into performance KPIs. In addition, to provide startup assistance and installation of the module in the production line, via the web server included in the system, we are able, as technicians, to assist you remotely. You only need a computer and an internet connection to connect and check the status of the MCA. We can thus verify any possible anomalies and take action by correcting the parameters in real time. Fiam provides support services worldwide, either by direct interventions or by our network of distributors, located in foreign markets. We provide installation and startup services of tightening systems, after-sales support and maintenance services.